Hey YouTube, so a little while ago I did a top 5 graphic novels for beginners video and I wanted to reshoot it because somehow it got deleted. So coming in just straight away at number 5, Frank Miller's Sin City. If you haven't seen the movie or read the book, they're both very good. You get a shot of the back there. It's pretty cool book. Number 4, The Death of Superman. This is one of the first graphic novels I've ever read, The Death of Superman, so it's kind of got a good special place in my heart. It's classic 90s. Number 3, Watchmen by Alan Moore. So this, without ruining it and spoiling things, this is one of the most psychological, I guess, books that I've ever read. That's a graphic novel because of the ending, but I won't tell you the ending because then it would ruin the whole thing. But it's about it's basically a parody of superheroes. Everything you think that superheroes are, the Watchmen are the opposite. For the most part. So, coming in at number 2, Mouse. This is a retelling of the Holocaust through cats and mice. It's mostly the younger mouse's father who struggles with PTSD throughout the book, and I have two of them. This way they count as one because it's the whole story, but you can buy the whole story all in one paperback, trade paperback. And number 1, my favorite thing, one of my favorite things ever, V for Vendetta. The movie was huge, but the graphic novel is even better. And man, this is one of the best works in general I've ever seen. Again, by Alan Moore, and who was Dave Gibbons did the art on Watchmen, but David Lloyd did the art on V for Vendetta. So remember the 5th of November. Gunpowder treason plot. I know of no reason why this gunpowder treason should ever be forgotten. Anyway, I'm sure you've seen the movie, but in the book, it's just done so perfectly. I don't know how else to say it. I read it. The movie's pretty spot on from what I've read. I don't know that I got the whole way through, but I could have swore I did. But I'm reading it again. It's so good. It's like great. So anyway, those are my top 5, and tune in for the next video. Should be coming up sometime in May, if not sooner.